All right, I'm going to go ahead and go over how to divide using synthetic division. So we have our two polynomials. I've set up my synthetic division previously. So I have draw this little box and then the line underneath. First thing you need to do is figure out what number goes inside the box. And you always do the opposite number of what's in the divisor. So we have a -2 in the divisor. So I change that to a +2. Now I like to write little placeholders. You don't have to do this. So my first placeholder will be an x squared because that's my first term, followed by x because that's the next value that will go down, and then followed by the constant. C stands for constant. Now right below that, I'm going to go ahead and write the coefficients in front of each of these values. So the coefficient in front of x squared is 2. The coefficient in front of x is 5. And my constant is 4. And then we perform our synthetic division. Now just remember, synthetic division always starts by dropping the first number down. So if I drop the 2 down, put that right below the line. After that, you always take that number below the line and multiply it by the number in the box. So 2 times 2 is 4. Put that right underneath the 5. And then I add straight down. 5 plus 4 is 9. Once again, this 9 I multiply, now that it's underneath the line, I multiply it by the number in the box. So 9 times 2 is 18, and then I add straight down. 4 plus 18 is 22. Now just remember, this last number in synthetic division always represents your remainder. So I'm going to write R for remainder. And then the way this works is your placeholders go down by one exponent. So since it was an x squared and we were dividing by an x, this first number will be our x term. The second number, therefore, would be our constant. So we just need to write our answer as 2x, and then I add the 9, and then I add the remainder divided by our divisor once again. And there would be our final answer.